completely reversed. Completely reversed. And I guess Sachin sir and Dushyant sir both will agree with me.
मतलब आपके टाइम पे अपॉर्चुनिटीज बहुत ज्यादा थे and हमारे टाइम पे अपॉर्चुनिटीज बहुत कम है. तो इज इट करेक्ट और इट इज रिवर्स?
It is completely
ये
reversed. Completely
हाँ.
reversed. And I guess Sachin sir and Dushyant sir both will agree with me that at our times we have seen being in college, we used to hardly get like the campuses has been just started. In fact, when we were in college, that was the first, that time it was very difficult to get selected in. जब yes, who got selected, that was okay. जो select हो गए उनके तो फिर हो गए वारे न्यारे. But then we never used to get so many opportunities as you people are having. There are so many options you people have, like you can go for core, you can go for IT companies, you can go for finance, you can go for anything. Like nowadays you can, after engineering also, you can go for banks, you can go for be bank jobs and MBAs and financial. There are so many options available. And then you can go for, like, entrepreneurship is the option, and then you can have this digital entrepreneur. Digitally you can start your own startups. There are so many options nowadays available for you. I just, like, there are so many options that I guess no student should be left with nothing. They should just grab the opportunities, and you should just put your hands and legs in everywhere, so that whatever best for you, just grab it. And I feel that there are so many opportunities. And nowadays parents are also quite, like, they are supporting. If you want, if you will say that no, I don't want to go for this professional or this thing, I want to go for something different, I want to go for artist. Like, there are so many engineering students of mine, like, Abhishek Dekate is one of the student who is into photography. Like, there is one more Aman Nagekar who is into photography. So there is Kevin Roy, one of the student I taught in engineering mechanical student, who is into music. Then there is Rahul Parwar, who is into direction and production. So there are fields open. Even after engineering, if you feel that you don't want to go for this, but you want to go for something very different, you can go for it, and you can do wonders in your field, and your parents will definitely support you. So I guess there are so many opportunities nowadays as compared to what we used to get.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, Dushyant sir.
Yes, I also agree with madam. We were having less opportunity. Only the flip side is the opportunities, but there is also more competition. Fine. In our time, there used to be very less opportunities, but nowadays you can just divert to any field that you really want. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, my views are also same that various opportunities are available nowadays. Shraddha madam has correctly said that means digital platform is also available for, because generation has changed now, the world has changed. So many opportunities are there. Only thing is that you have to improve your skill set. So if you improve your skill set, na, so there are many opportunities, many fields are waiting for such students. So in our time, the limited scope was there, but nowadays I think huge scope is available. You have to just grab that huge opportunities are available, and you have to just grab those opportunity by just improving your skill set. And nowadays, parents are also very liberal. Means they think the new generation parents are there. Our parents used to be very old generation parents, so उनका यही था कि बस पढ़ाई करना है और नौकरी करना है, लाइक दैट. बट आजकल के पेरेंट्स जो है वो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप को भी ज्यादा मींस encourage करते हैं. They support that decision कि okay, someone want to start the business. The parents used to encourage them, they financially and everything, they support. So these things were not there in our time. So I really agree with Sushan sir and Shraddha madam that very many fields are waiting for the students. You have to just grab those opportunities.
Why to go beyond, Ritik? You yourself can see in our college there are so many startups students are working on. They are just coming up with the ideas and things are working out. So you people
Yes,
know
ma'am.
already. Like at our time, there are hardly students who were coming out with the startups. But nowadays, there are so many ideas and they are transforming into actual startups. So yes, you guys have so many opportunities. It's just a spark you need, and you need to know what you exactly want to do. And there are so many opportunities. There are so many platforms available to just convert your ideas into happenings.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Sure.
मीन्स मैं तो एग्जांपल देना चाहूंगा कि our student, IT student, I think, Pawan Karate, he is started start one YouTube channel, like Shero Shari, like that, and he's earning a lot through that channel. So means बहुत सारा scope है. Just
Yeah,
you have to.
he's having some digital platform also. Digipun करके है,
Yeah,
and
Digipun also.
he's coming up with very very creative ideas on the digital platform.
The new startup he has started, yeah, Digipun. Along with that YouTube channel, he is having now Digipun, and he's also doing well in that.